Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do an eye look, and I have this palette here. It's from Wet n Wild Artist Palette, you guys, Wild Heart. This is the palette that I'm going to use. So we have some yellows, we have some really silver looking, we have some brown, we have all different color into this palette here. This is a mustard color. So we are going to start off today. I already primed my eyes, and I am going to start off today and see if I can find some color from this palette. So here we are going into the palette, and today I want to start off with like the mustard color one, which is this one here. I think this palette, you can see, I haven't used this palette like 3 times, you guys. So yeah, so I'm gonna go into this mustard looking color and just gonna apply it on my lid here and see how it does look. So how are your day going, you guys? As for me, I went out today. I have to go to the foot doctor because I was having some problem the other day with my feet. Like my feet would be burning me, and sometimes my heel would be hurting me. But I don't know, since I go on vacation and come back, everything just changed. Like I don't really feel that burning sensation that I usually feel. So this is the mustard color, and this is my eyes here. This is what I am putting on. So I'm gonna add like a bit of this shade. Oh my god. Okay, let's go in with a purplish color because I'm wearing a purple top today, and I'm just gonna apply the purple to my eyes here and blend it out. So for me, color is beautiful if you know how to wear it. Even with me going to get my nails done, I always in color. I love colors, like one of my favorite things. I don't like to come out of the nail shop and my nails are just ordinary. And as for me, I also like to wear color on my eyes. That's one of the things with me. I love wearing color, you guys, on my eyes. So if you see me sometime in some bright color, it's just a preference of mine to wear it, because the only thing you can see under here, you can see that this thing is really messing me up, like really messing me up. So I should have done my foundation after I do the eye. But anyway, I can clean up. I can clean up, but this is not good right here. It's not. Okay, so we are gonna go in, and I'm gonna go in another color. So we have, I use the purple here, and I'm gonna go into this one here, right, this one here, and I'm just gonna put it at this part of my eyes here, and then I'm gonna put like a different color in the middle of it. So I'm just catching, and this color here also look almost like the purple, but it's not purple. So I'm just going to put it over here. Oh my god, I am so messy with this thing here. Really messy, you guys. Yeah, really messy. So I'm gonna get a different, I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm just gonna clean up here and bring back over here, because I don't even know that this color was so messy. It's really like messy. When I tell you this color is so messy, it's really messy, you guys, and you can see. So as for the middle of my eyes, I'm gonna go in with a different color for the middle of my eyes, because I can see that the whole hair is really messed up. So I'm gonna go in, and I was thinking of maybe should I use one of these color here, but I'm gonna try this one here. You can see, and add it to the middle of my lid here and see. And if this one doesn't work, then I have to go into another color here. I don't know. I mean, these eyeshadow are so like powdery and really messy. I don't know. Maybe the ingredients in this eyeshadow is not really that good because I don't really use this eyeshadow 3 times because I have so much eyeshadow. Like sometimes I forgot that I have them. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna use this same color and I'm gonna cover back this part of my eye here. It's really, and I said messy, it is messy. You can see when I'm doing my eyes, it's had this powdery, really powdery look here. You can see really messy, you guys, really messy. This is really one messy eyeshadow here. You have some really nice color though in it, and I don't get it because the purple messed me up, but you have some really nice color off here. Like, I'm gonna swatch this color and you can see it is a matte, it's brown. So I'm gonna go back in this color which I'm using right here, and you can see that this is really like, hey God, this is so messy. So messy, you guys, really messy. And then I have to clean up. So I'm gonna go back into this purple and I'm gonna use the same brush and just go back and recatch this color that I just laid down on my eyes to work back with the purple. I think I was gonna get the inner corner more darker too, but because of the way how everything is right now, it doesn't make any sense. I am so messy, you guys, with this color. This color are really, really bad. Really, really bad here. And you can see here, here. I never use an eyeshadow palette this long time and I got so messy with it. Right? Never. This is like, oh, this is like, I don't know. So let's blend this color together. But I love the purple, just that it's really of a messy color. So the only thing I can do right now to get it a little bit more steady is to go in with another purple right here, this one, and then we are going to work it into the other purple that I have here. And this is more of a lighter purple. So I'm going to work it with the color that I had before there. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna get this color and help out with this one here. It's so messy. And then I have to clean up, like really clean up, you guys. Clean up my eyes. It's a mess. Clean up. And then I'm gonna go in a bit of this color. I'm gonna knock it off, and then I'm gonna just put a little bit of it underneath my brow bone because I like when my brow bone is highlight. But you can look at this. I'm not even enjoying this color, this palette, because it's so messy. Like really, I think after this I'm gonna throw it out. Don't make any sense. I have eyeshadow longer than this, and they don't. And even if I use it, I prefer use this color here, not that one there. Yeah. So here we are gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna come back. So guys, I am not really pleased with this palette. I'm not pleased with it, you guys. This palette really let me down. I was looking that this palette could work better. This is like, I bought this palette I think last year. I haven't used this palette like 3 times, and maybe this is the 3rd time I'm using this palette. But you can see the color are beautiful. They have some really nice cool color. You have some purples, you have some green, you have some matte, you have mustard. But look at how this eyeshadow, when I was applied to the eyes, you can see the amount of fallout that I get from this palette. Now even on this part of here, you can see this here. I love this mustard. It's almost something like my nail. It's very beautiful. This purple here, I really wanted to use this was the one that really messed me up, so I tried this, and then I apply more this one here, which is more a matte, to the outer corner. Now I was trying to go in with this, and then I have to end up use this one here for over this one here. For me, I still think that there is some really nice color leave in this palette to use. Number two, the top of the palette, the cover, you can see it's also torn off the palette. I always have my powder put away, and I have eyeshadow palette that is older than this, and it doesn't really blend, mess me up like this. This is have a lot of powdery when you're using it, and you can see from this side here, you can see that it's really messy. But overall, you guys, I really think I still have color in this that I really like, and I will use another time. So this is what it come down to, the way how the palette is, the blendability and everything. So I just want to say thank you so much. This is Beauty and Makeup Over 60. I changed my name and my YouTube channel, so if you come across my channel, please like, share, comment, and do subscribe. God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye.